Hey guys, welcome back. We are thrilled because a friend gave us some morel mushrooms, which are hard to find these days. So for this special occasion, we will make a delicious and rich morel sauce for our pan-sear chicken breast. We cut in half our morel mushrooms. These were picked a few days ago and we froze them to be sure they don't go bad. If you can, use them while they are fresh. We finely chopped some fresh parsley, which will give a fresh vibe to our sauce. We will sear the chicken breast in a cast iron pan with butter and dried thyme. Always use fresh thyme if you have. We season the chicken breast with salt and ground pepper. You can add any spice you want, but don't make it too spicy because you won't taste the morel sauce. When done, we add it to our pan and we sear them until they get an internal temperature of 75 degrees Celsius. Our chicken breast is ready. In the same pan, we add some butter along with the morel mushrooms. We season them with salt and ground pepper. We give it a good mix and we add the onions along with the garlic. We let them sear for a minute, then we add the chicken stock. When the liquid is reduced, we add some cooking cream, we stir it in, and we cook it roughly for a minute. Our sauce is ready, so we take it off the heat. The morel sauce is rich and delicious, and it is amazing combined with a crispy and tender chicken. Try it out and let us know what you think. If you like our content, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We upload recipes regularly. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.